Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice red coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, the black appearance package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a dual exhaust, tow hitch, your backup camera. We got a backup camera, a tailgate step with mud flaps on the rear and front, platform gripped running board as well, side view camera, turn light and spotlight indicated mirrors, blind spot detection, and moving to the front we get this nice black hood deflector with front park sensing, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, you can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. This nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, flat fold storage system with floor mats, carpeted interior. You got cup holders and storage, rear vents with 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, and of course we do get a split folding rear bed sheet, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Auto stop and start, lights, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 8 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have my view, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To remember, we got a gear select. It is collapsible with storage, cup holders, wireless charging with some outlets, your storage system, your interior work surface that you can fold out for your laptop, your food, paperwork, all that jazz, and your center console. We do have our drive modes, rear locking diff and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated front seats, dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above, below, on the dash, and we do get this nice powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. We have our park sensing that you can turn on or off, hazards and traction, and your 360 view of the vehicle. Looking here, we do get our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone controls, your navigation, if it wants to load. We have our fave apps such as messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We got our settings right here as well, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF01212, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.